there any good lightning? Holy shit.
This is it, man.
Holy shit! Holy shit!
This is it.
Oh, that is awesome!
Holy fuck.
This is awesome!
I can fucking see the car.
Look at how fast that... Holy shit, look how fast that wind's going! Holy shit!
This is it, dude.
Holy shit! Look at it, just breezing across the road.
There's no fucking trees over there.
Oh, that is so... Oh, yeah. My car's not gonna... Holy shit! How's my antenna? Ah, it's still straight up. Oh my god. Oh, this is ridiculous. Look in front of us. You can't see a thing.
Yeah, we definitely should have got out of here a minute ago, but it's too late now.
Oh, fuck that. This is awesome. You having a good time, Sean?
Yeah.
Or what? Holy shit.
There is some serious lightning over us, too. I don't really know what it is, man, but there is some, it's like pink, too. It's so fucking crazy.
Remember those videos you see of hurricanes and shit?
Yeah, dude.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit.
You feel that lightning right above us, dude?
Holy shit. And it's fucking up my CD radio. Oh man. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, let's totally drive east and do it again.
Oh, you see that pink fucking lightning?
I know. It's
fucking... It's fun.
Am I getting any on video? Where is most of it?
Above us, dude.
Seriously? Is it hitting my antenna?
No, I think we definitely feel that shit.
Oh, it's too bad I didn't have a sunroof. Oh my god, my car is moving.
Oh, this is like the worst of it right here, dude.
Should I shift?
Huh?
Should I shift?
This is like the worst of it.
Doesn't matter.
Oh my god, this is awesome. This is coolio.
This is ridiculous, dude.
Oh, I still get radio. Oh
This
man.
is by far the craziest storm we've been in before, man.
Holy shit! Holy shit! I might have got them videos right over there.
No, that fucking... No,
Oh,
that wind.
The wind.
The wind, dude. You feel the car picking up.
I know. Well, we're kind of hitting the car sideways too, which adds...
No, I think you're lucky that me and Sean are both on this side.
I don't know if I want to drive.
Sure, Spencer. Surprised some of these trees didn't come down.
Oh, I know.